Hi, Red Sweet Potato here, part of the Bristol Elite. And ang gamit kong motor today is the Zontes 400M. Ang masasabi ko, napakasarap nung driving experience ko sa expressway. And surprisingly, hindi ko in-expect na yung motor na yun is papasok yung ganong kaliit, ganong ka-compact, tapos sa expressway. Although may mga nagtaka lang, nagtanong kung ilang cc ba yun, pero very confident ako na sumagot na 400 and expressway legal. And I think ito yung isang magiging selling point ng gamit kong motor, yung kanyang pagiging compact at the same time expressway legal. And as for the other motorcycle na nakasabay natin with Bristol Elite, like the G, E, and D, grabe, wala rin ako masabi. Both models are same engine. So lahat pantay-pantay ng horsepower. Nagkakatalo na lang sa weight ng rider kanina nung rektahan kami sa expressway. And sa mga gusto maka-experience nung ride ng Zontes, please do visit Bristol Motorcycle, and available na to sa Makina, April. Actually, ngayon na pala, available na sa mga Bristol Motorcycle branches and open na for reservation. And meron tayong magiging display sa Makina Moto Show on April 4, 5, and 6. Nandun ako and kita-kits tayo doon. Again, this Red Sweet Potato, part of the Bristol Elite, and ito yung aming Zontes motorcycle ride.